Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be fishing this small river for some bass. First we need to get a little bit of bait. By the way, it's not looking like it's my day. I forgot the battery cover for this camera, so I just carved up a piece of wood that I found and wedged it in there to hold the battery in place. So if I cut out inexplicably to black at any point, I'll tell you what's going on, but that might happen. Apologies too for the background noise. I'm under this overpass here. We're going to be trying to catch some crayfish in the shallow rocky areas up there, and then we'll see if there are any bass that are biting down here in this little pool here, and if not, we'll work our way up and down the stream. Alright, so first things first, we're going to see if we can't find some crayfish. Got him. Alright, that is a good sized crayfish for what I want to do. The shell's a little soft too. I wonder if that'll make it more appealing to the bass. So we'll chuck him in the bait bucket. I'd really like to have one or two more, just so I don't have to stop in between every fish. Another one. No. There we go. All right, now we're good. We got three. That'll last us for a while. They are perfect size for what I want to be catching. So let's get started. All right, I moved to the other side of the bridge. Hopefully under the shadows here, we'll be able to find some bass. Oh, something nibbled. They're biting on it, and I put new line on this morning, and my line has some memory left in it. Oop, and it wrapped around the barrel, and I'm trying to get it untangled before they really take it. Come on, John. Untangle yourself. Guys, I have a fish on and I can't do anything because I'm trying to untangle my line that got wrapped around the barrel here. I don't know if you can see that. Ha ha ha. I did it. Okay. Now we're gonna put all this back together. Let's see if it's still on there. Oh, yeah. All right. That was ridiculous. Oh, now it's fighting really well. I like that. Good fish. Oh, wait. That's not a bass. I thought it would be. It's a catfish. All right. Decent sized fish. Okay, let's get that taken care of. All right, there it is. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I wanted to throw it on the stringer while I decided what I was gonna do. See if I can catch anything else. So I'm gonna put it over here, tie it up in the shade. Decent sized fish. Okay, I don't have much experience with catfish, so I had to look that one up. It looks like it's a channel catfish, and in this area there are no minimum sizes, so and I've heard that size is good eating, so we will see if we catch anything else. If we don't, that might be what we cook up. Oh, got a fish on. All right, What do we got? Oh, a bass. Come on, come back. There we go. All right, nice little smallie. That'll work. Obviously much too small to keep, but still a fun fish. All right, we'll be letting this guy go. Looks like he's been caught before. There's a hole on the other side of his mouth. All right, till next time, till you're bigger. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna save you guys the trouble of watching me struggle through filleting a fish. Suffice it to say, I killed it, and then I filleted it, not the other way around. Now we've got a couple fillets in here. They look a little smaller than they actually are. They're just a little rolled up. We're gonna put some fish fry in here, maybe some salt and pepper, some other stuff, and then get the cooker going and get it cooked. Looking forward to it. I'm so hungry right now. That cooked so fast. Oops. Wrong way. We'll just turn that off and put it on a plate. Now, I don't know if any of you have watched my other videos, but the last time I tried frying something, I used a paper plate, and there was a little wind, and it blew it right away. Right back into the water. So, I went out and invested in this nice camping plate. And those look so good. All right, finally lunch. Check that out. Perfect. I've never cooked catfish up myself. That's better than any fish I've ever had in any restaurant. Of course, I like fried things. Fantastic. Hands down, I'm not just saying it for this video, best fish I've had. Great seasoning. Of course, hunger makes the best seasoning, right? So, I'm starving. I had almost nothing for lunch, and it's mid-afternoon, so I probably could have eaten it raw and it would still taste good, but this is amazing. Just check it out. We came down right over there, fished all around the piers, ended up catching the catfish right in between the two of them, caught my crayfish right out here, and now we're eating what we caught right where we caught it. It's a perfect day. You know, I love being outside. I love catching fish. I love eating fish. More people should do this. Get out there, take a lunch break, long lunch break, go out in the evening after work, go out for a couple hours during the weekend. Just, you know, pick up a little cook set and cook up a fish that you catch. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, that's all for today. Check out some of my other videos. I appreciate everyone that's been watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.